Hello students, so welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss MCQ from the Exemplar book. Now see, first question which is asked is, which metal ion is a constituent of chlorophyll? Now, if you remember, we have already discussed this diagram in the previous video. And if you see in the center, magnesium is present. So answer will be magnesium ions. Clear? Now, second question. Which pigment will directly help to convert light energy into chemical energy? If you remember reaction center is made by chlorophyll A. So answer will be here chlorophyll A. Clear? Third question. Which range of wavelength is called photosynthetic active radiation, means PAR? So for this, if you remember, we have already discussed in the previous video, 400 to 700 nanometer is PAR. Clear, beta? Please understand all the questions because these are your questions which is from Exemplar book and they can be asked for your board as well as for your NEET also. Now, fourth question, which light range is least effective? If you see in this diagram, this green light is least effective. Okay, it is not doing any action also. Action is more done in the blue light and in the red light. So answer will be green light. Next question, chemosynthetic bacteria obtain energy from? They are obtaining energy from inorganic chemicals. See here the theory, they are the first organisms on the earth synthesizing their own food by obtaining energy, not from the sunlight, but by doing the oxidation of some inorganic chemicals, okay, like H2S, nitrogen oxide and all. It takes their origin from, you can say photosynthetic bacteria have evolved from chemosynthetic bacteria only. Next question, energy required for ATP synthesis in PS2. How the energy is coming? It is coming, if you remember this diagram, it's a proton gradient, proton, which is broken down to make ATP. When the protons are coming back, then ATP formation is done. The answer will be proton gradient. During light reaction, the following is formed. So during light reaction, if you see, sugar is not made in the light reaction, it is made in the dark reaction. The sugar option you can remove out. Now, oxygen donor. Who is oxygen donor? Water. Water is also not made here in the light reaction. Answer will be C. Dark reaction is called so why? It is called because it occurs in dark only also? No. It does not depend on light energy. It cannot occur during daylight. Wrong. It occurs more rapidly at night. No. Answer is it does not depend on light energy, but it depends upon the product which is produced during the light reaction. PEP. PEP is the primary carbon dioxide acceptor in. PEP is the primary carbon dioxide acceptor in C4 plant and in CHEM plant. So answer is C4 plant. In the C3 plant, primary carbon dioxide acceptor is RUBP. In C2 plants, again it is RUBP but not carbon dioxide acceptor. It is oxygen acceptor that time. Okay, here RUBP will combine with carbon dioxide, but in C2 plant, RUBP will be combining with oxygen because photorespiration. So answer is C4. Splitting of water is associated with. Splitting of water, we have already understood it is associated with photosystem too. So you cannot take this first option, not both. Okay. It is inner surface of thylakoid or lumen. No, it is not on the lumen. It is associated with inner surface of thylakoid membrane. Now, what is the correct sequence of the flow of electron in the light reaction? For this, you have to remember this diagram. So if you see, it starts from PS2. So PS2 should be first, then plastoquinone, then cytochrome chain, cytochromes, PS1, and FD means paradoxin. Yes, the answer is first option. The enzyme which is not found in C3 plant. It's very important, as in the table also. pepcase is not present in the C3 plant. It is present in it because this is the main enzyme to do carboxylation. This is the one present which is responsible for making NADH plus H plus in the light reaction and ATP synthesis formation of ATP. The reaction which is responsible for the primary fixation of carbon dioxide is catalyzed by RUBP carboxylase. Okay. Now, it is in the C3 plant and this is in the C4 plant. So answer will not be this one. Answer will be best choice will be C because this is in the C3 plant and this is in the C4 plant. Clear, beta? When carbon dioxide is added to the PEP, the first stable product synthesized is oxaloacetic acid, C4 pathway. So I hope so. This video, which I made for the MCQ of the exemplar, this might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.